Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me?
I'm back in New York. I came back on Saturday and I started recording this video on Sunday, but then I just never got around to filming the intro, and I also needed like a couple mental health days, so I took Monday and Tuesday off, did some laundry, did some cleaning up around the house, unpacked a little bit. But the house is still pretty much a mess and I need to continue making progress slowly. So today we have a bunch of packages that I need to open that I got while I was gone. And I also need to get vaccinated. Also this week is just gonna be about, kind of getting back in a good headspace. Just mentally, physically, I'm starting to work out again. So I gotta go get my workout in for today. If you are new here, my name is Urvi and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel and join my journey, and let's get into it. My plants are dead. This is dead. But this one, I'm kind of shocked. There's like 3 new stems growing. Wow. Okay, I need to fix this up and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna probably throw this away.
But there's not to say. Yeah, I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways. But I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
Finally got these 2 books I've been wanting to read, especially this one, The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I've heard so many things about it, so I'm super excited to read this. Also got this book. It is The Maidens by Alex Michaelade. If you guys remember from one of my previous vlogs, while I was in India, I ordered a bunch of skincare while I was away that I was going to come back home to. So this is literally the bulk of it, and I'm going to be doing an updated skincare routine video very, very soon.
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush. I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue. My cup's been looking fuller. You're picking apart my walls. And baby, let's settle up, 'cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to turn.
I'm on my way to get my first shot of the vaccine. I waited so long because I was in India for 3 months and they don't have the Pfizer vaccine, which I wanted. And since that is approved in the US, I thought it'd be better to have that anyway. And I'm finally here.
You can videotape it.
You can see I just split toned my hair. I got this like collaboration I was doing on Instagram with Overtone, which is like a coloring conditioner, which I think is a great idea because you can like do fun things with your hair without damaging it. So I went ahead and split toned my hair, but it was the first time I was using it, so I don't think I did it correctly. My hair still turned out pretty nice. Like the colors did show up on my hair, but I did want them to be like brighter and more vibrant. So today's Friday and I went ahead and did this again just because I wanted the colors to be more vibrant. I'm gonna leave this on my hair for a little bit and then wash and set it up and show you guys what it ends up looking like. I am finally, after being holed up indoors for the entire week, going out, but this is how my color turned out. As you can see, this side is more silvery purple and this side is rose gold pink. I am digging it. Also reminding myself that this side of me exists. I just really needed some confidence, some pick-me-up this week, so I decided to pull all the stops. I have my jewelry on and we're ready to go out and have some fun. Happy Friday, guys. I have my white sandals, which I'm matching with my white Coach bag.
There's just some things I can't imagine. How are you and I supposed to happen when we can't show our love in a healthy way? How are you and I supposed to stay? Listen up. Should I give up on what I thought we'd be? And a parent and with no apology. I still think that I might be your one and only. I don't want to end up as your old and lonely. Ooh, I just want to be one that you see. Ooh, the one that you need. Ooh, the one that you need. You're a pretty one. But we can show our love in a healthy way. You're a pretty one. But we can show our love in a healthy way. There's just some things I can't imagine. You and I alone with all our passions. Well, how come you come easy but love comes hard? I wish it could be simple, but it's not. Should I give up on what I thought we'd be? An apparent and with no apology. I still think that I might be your one and only. I don't want to end up as your old and lonely. Ooh, I just want to be one that you see. Ooh, the one that you need. Ooh, the one that you read. You're a pretty one. But we can show our love in a healthy way. You're a pretty one. We can show our love in a healthy way.
You're gonna put it in the solid muscle chat on Tinder.
You took me right out my comfort zone. You became a habit.
Today is literally what seems like the hottest day of the year. I don't know if you can see, but like I'm a hot mess right now and this is embarrassing, but it is what it is. I'm walking to this restaurant and it's a 15-minute walk and I'm not okay, guys.
Baby, is it over? baby, is it over?
You guys, I got my second vaccine yesterday. I got the Pfizer, and after the first one, I didn't really have any side effects except pain at the injection site for like 2 days. But this morning I woke up feeling pretty good, and so I was expecting that I'm in the clear, but like as the day goes by, I am developing some chills and some body pain, and like just intense tiredness. Like I try to get up and do one thing, and this bout of like full-on tiredness just hits me. So I'm just gonna lay low, but I wanted to close out this vlog. I will probably take the next 2 or 3 days to fully recover, but we're fully vaccinated. August was a month of change, a month of activities, a month of catching up on life. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.